In a suburban neighborhood, a black and white cat sits on the porch, looking forlorn. Its fur is unkempt, and its eyes reflect a sense of sadness. The cat watches the world go by, seemingly lost in its own melancholy. It seems like even the sun shining down on its fur is unable to lift its spirits. The cat's tail flicks dejectedly as it lets out a soft meow, almost as if seeking comfort from the empty street. This cat appears to be experiencing a profound sense of sorrow that is palpable even to those passing by.